Hi everyone, welcome back to Sketch Lab for Kids. Today we're diving into an exciting project, creating a splatter effect with Posca markers. I'll show you how to use 3 values to create a smooth gradation of color, making your splatter effect look dynamic and dimensional. We'll also incorporate radial symmetry to give your design a balanced and eye-catching look. So I am painting on canvas. This is golden fluid acrylics, titanium white, and carbon black. So with the light blue Posca marker, I'm basically creating what looks like popsicle sticks in different thicknesses and different sizes. And you can see they're all pointing in the same direction. So I want you to think of radial symmetry. Think of that as like spokes on a tire or sun rays coming out of the sun. We're going to be creating a gradation of value here. So I went from light blue to sky blue. And you can see the direction of the brushstrokes are going in the same direction. And then now I'm going to go in the opposite direction to blend the brushstrokes. So it was light blue, sky blue, and then blue. I'm also going to go in and add some halftone dots with this white. So this is the use of repetition. These halftone dots are found in pop art. Another way to look at radial symmetry is thinking about a clock. So I started off at the 12 o'clock position, and as you can see, I went over from 12, 11, 10 to the 9 o'clock position. Put down the first color, which was light blue, then sky blue, dark blue. You can see I'm using variety as far as the thickness of these little popsicle sticks and the size of them. With the purple, I'm going to move from 12 o'clock to the 3 o'clock position. So this is the lavender, which is the lighter purple. Then the medium value is violet. And then the darker value is Prussian blue, which is a blue-violet. In the 6 to 8 o'clock position, I'm actually starting off with light pink. And once again, I'm using variety, different thicknesses and sizes. The medium value is going to be pink, and then my darker value is red wine. I'm now using lavender, and this is a 3M, and this is going to create a thinner line. So I'm using lines to create movement, and I'm also creating a few dots. So using dots, different sizes, and repetition, and you can see it's really creating now the sense of the splatter, the sense of movement, like this has just been splashed right onto the canvas. I'm just repeating this now once again with the light pink and also with the light blue. I'm going to go in and add a few highlights with the white marker. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you had fun learning how to create a splatter effect with Posca markers and exploring ways to add depth, balance, and movement to your artwork. But the fun doesn't stop here. Join me for part 2, where I'll show you how to paint a super cute ice cream cone in kawaii style using vibrant golden acrylic paints and Posca markers. It's going to be colorful, fun, and totally adorable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.